So today I am going to tell you all about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the father of Indian Constitution. His childhood name was Bhimrao. His father name was Ramji Sakpal. His father was a Subedar in British Army. In those days, the government ensured that all the army personnel and their children were educated. They ran the special schools for this purpose. This ensured good education for Bhimrao. But after the retirement of Bhimrao's father, they settled Satara in Maharashtra. But Bhimrao was enrolled in a local school. He was an intelligent and hard-working student. But as he was born as Shudras, meaning untouchable, he was experienced caste discrimination right from his childhood. In school, he had to sit on the floor in a corner in the classroom, and the teacher would not touch his notebook. He was also not allowed to drink water from the vessel used by the upper caste student. But despite many of difficulties, he never lost heart. By his hard working and determination and also commitment, he earned several scholarships to support his studies. His teacher gave him the surname Ambedkar in school records, and in 1906, when he was just 15 years old, he got married with Ramabai, who was just 9 years old in that time. But he never stopped their study. He continued their study and passed his matriculation exam in 1908. He joined Elphinstone College for their further study, and in 1912 he graduated in political science and economics and got a job in Baroda. During a public ceremony, Dada Kailashkar gifted him the biography of Buddha. In 1913, he lost his father, and in the same year, the Maharaja of Baroda awarded scholarship to him and sent him America for their further studies. While practicing law in the Bombay High Court, he tried to promote education to the untouchables and uplift them. During that period, the Shudras were not allowed to drink water used by the upper caste people, and they were also not allowed to enter in the temples. In 1927, Dr. Bhimrao decided to launch an active movement against untouchability. He began the struggle to enter the temples, and in 1927 he attended all the 3 round table conferences in London and forcefully argued for the right and welfare for the untouchables. In 1947, when India became independent, first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru invited Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was elected as a member of Constituent Assembly from the Bengal, to join his cabinet as a law minister. Dr. Bhimrao lost his 4 children and his wife Rama but he never stopped working for the nation. In 1956, Dr. Bhim Rao and his second wife Savita Ambedkar converted themselves to Buddhism. He proposed convert about 5 lakh his supporters to Buddhism, and after the completion of his book Buddha and his Dhamma, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar was died on 6th December 1956. That day is called Mahaparinirvan Din and also considered as a saddest day for the nation. So Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar will also be alive in our thoughts. Thank you.